Welcome to the channel! In today's special lesson, we'll begin with the very first steps to take when starting a business. First of all, if you are not yet clear on whether you want to sell services or do e-commerce, I recommend checking out this video where I analyze the most popular business models and highlighted their pros and cons. After watching it, you definitely have more clarity and be able to choose which model seems most feasible for your current situation. The second step is to choose a niche. As I learned the hard way some time ago, when starting from scratch, it's best to focus on a specific niche. Then, once sales starts and you build a good reputation in your market, you can expand your products with new lines and begin to offer other items from related niches. But we'll talk about that later. If you give enough likes to this video, I'll make another one on this topic. So, how to choose a niche? The first step is to analyze the competition. From the competition, you can understand if there are sales opportunities, if the market is struggling, and what type of customers they are targeting, as well as how they communicate with them. You need to dig deeper by exploring all the social media and reading reviews. To do all this, you don't need expensive softwares. You can do it manually. Now let me explain how to proceed organically. Start by searching for your competitor's name on Google, adding Reddit to find any useful posts. Searching your competitor's name and Quora can also provide market insights. However, it's crucial to be aware of false positives, as I call them. In fact, even on Reddit and Quora, you might encounter false positives, like competitors of the brand you are choosing sharing negative experiences, or the brand itself using fake profiles to promote sales by phrasing their own product or service. And don't forget that even on review sites like Trustpilot, you can find false positives. Reviews on Trustpilot can also be purchased, and many companies, when they receive negative feedback, may compensate for it by buying a certain number of positive reviews. But how can we tell if a review is authentic or not? On forums like Quora or Reddit, you can check the account of the review's author. If their job coincidentally aligns with your niche, be cautious. Additionally, look at their previous comments and posts. If you notice a lot of similar content, it's likely a troll, and their experience may not reflect a real issue with the competition. On the other hand, if many different people are speaking positively about a competitor and their account show activity on unrelated topics, then that's a genuine signal. You have found a competitor that is truly thriving in your niche. Remember to cross-check their social media as well. And while you check this, if you find my lesson interesting, please like this video. And now let's return to our topic. It's really important to understand the situation well. Before spending a penny, make sure there are people genuinely making money in the niche you have chosen. Also take a look at review sites. When you visit these sites, check the number of feedbacks and the overall rating. For example, if a competitor has 50 feedbacks and a score of 4.7 out of 5 with only 2 negative reviews, that's a red flag for me. Pay attention to the negative reviews. If they contain significant comments, it might mean your competitor isn't selling as much as they claim. I I recommend looking at least at 5 to 10 competitors in your niche and carefully analyzing the data to determine whether it's worth considering starting a business in that niche. If your competitors have been in the niche for years and have a Trustpilot score of around 4.7 with 1,200 reviews, it's clear they are doing well. It's also interesting to look at the negative reviews to understand what issues customers are reporting. This information can really help you improve your service or product. And don't forget to check the dates of the most recent reviews, as they can give you some clues about the sales volume. Another useful tip: check out Facebook's library and TikTok to see if they have active ads and for how long. This data can give you a clear view of their sales. At this point, if you are confident that your niche is profitable, it's really important to clarify how you want to build your business. A good way to start is to look at competitors who are already succeeding. But remember one fundamental thing: you are in the startup phase, while they already have an established business. You can just copy their model, unless you have 6 figures to invest. Otherwise, you are risking failure right out of the gate. And I speak from experience. Years ago, I tried to emulate the success of others without considering 2 key factors. 1, they have been in the market for years, and 2, they have built a loyal customer base. And that's the secret to their success. So, unless you have $20,000 to invest in advertising, it will be really difficult to achieve the results, especially starting from scratch. Remember to start with small steps, keeping everything as simple as possible. Focus on a specific niche and your flagship product, which is your main product. And if you have decided to offer services, do the same with your primary service. Grab a notebook and write down what your main product or service is. You need to build your business around that. And we'll discuss it in more detail in the next lesson, next Thursday. And now it's the moment you've been waiting for, question and answers. I received this question. Very cute. Thanks for the awesome lessons. I really found you true information on your channel. I really appreciate it because I personally tested everything you say, and it's really great. Now I have a question. How can I give away freebies with my dropshipping e-commerce? That's a great question. First of all, I'm really happy that my videos have provided you with tangible help. Your appreciation motivates me to keep creating useful content. And about that, I just wanted to point out that many people charge thousands of dollars for similar information, while I share it here completely for free. Just saying. And don't forget to receive a free consultation on your questions. You need to subscribe to the channel and submit your questions in the dedicated corner inside the community. If you want to build an e-commerce brand and aim to reach 6 figures, it's crucial to take action now. If you need customized strategies and information for your specific case, my coaching session can really help you prepare for Q4 and aim for the 6-figure milestone by the end of the year. There's no time to waste. If you expect too much, you might not be ready for Q4, and I'm here to provide you with all the information you need and to create a customized plan and strategy for you. In this complicated economic time, I have decided to offer the VIP service, which usually costs $1,500 per hour at an unprecedented price, only $897. Remember, this offer is valid only for August and for the first 10 sign-ups. If you want to seize this opportunity, I recommend acting immediately, as the price will increase in September. And now let's move on to the question: how can I give away freebies with my dropshipping e-commerce? That's really a good question. If you are just starting out and doing dropshipping directly from AliExpress, I recommend offering a discount coupon. You can do this through email marketing or by adding a pop-up window on the purchase confirmation page. That is the window that appears right after payment. When you start working with an agency in China, ask them to include a free gift in the packaging. This is super helpful during the private label phase, when you put your logo on the product and packaging. And to enhance the customer experience even further, consider adding 1 or 2 stickers with your brand logo, just like Apple does. You can have the stickers printed by one of the many shops on AliExpress and use the address of the agency's warehouse in China, which will then include them inside each packages. Some agencies may also offer this service directly. In any case, the customer experience will definitely be more positive, and it will help your brand stand out from the competition. If you want to learn how to transition from dropshipping to private label, I posted a video last week with a real case study that you absolutely need to watch. You can find it here, and I'm sure it will be very helpful to you. I'll stop here for today, but if you are thinking about starting an e-commerce site and don't know how to choose a winning product, check out this other video I made on this topic just this week. And see you in the next video. Bye!